Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and we have solved the first layer so far. Now I'm going to start looking at our second layer. We got 1/3 of the cube done. So we're going to look at the bottom. So we have a red right here, and then there's a green on top of it. So I'm going to bring the green to the green, which would line up like this. Boom. And then we're going to see red's right here. So we're going to take it away from red, bring the right down, bring it back, and put it up. And then we're going to put the corner back in. And then we just put it in. Right here. Sorry, it's like really hard to do this because I'm like getting on a computer and it's like reversed. And then just keep doing that with different colors and your second layer will be solved. I have one more to put in. Boom. And your second layer is solved. Tune in next time for the third layer. I know these videos are quick. It's just me solving the Rubik's Cube. I know I could do it like all together in one, but I just really want to do it separate so you guys can like learn it. And tune in for the third layer.